Hi, this is Manoj. As the technology is advancing, innovation is also advancing. So we have Strajal here. He is working on NFC technology. Hi Strajal.
Hey Manoj, how are you?
Can you tell me about what NFC is and what idea you're working on?
Okay, NFC stands for Near Field Communication. It is very similar to other technologies it is a data transmitting technology like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Okay.
But the difference between NFC and the previous technology is NFC is very easy to use, it's straightforward, and anybody from a 10-year-old to a 60-year-old can use it. Now see what happens in Bluetooth.
So can you tell the process of how Bluetooth is used, Wi-Fi, and how NFC is far better than those?
Okay, we cannot compare these technologies directly as such, but in short, what I can tell you is for Bluetooth, you need to pair both the devices, right? A person needs to put the pairing code, he has to select the device, he has to know which device he pairs with.
Ready.
Okay, this is an NFC based visiting card, which is one of the products which we developed. Okay, for an end user, it looks like a normal card. Okay, but we have a NFC based chip embedded into this. Okay, so this is how it works. All a person needs to do is this is a Android phone which has NFC enabled Android.
Okay.
He just has to keep the card behind it. Okay, and then he gets all the contact details. Okay.
Oh, cool.
So it's very straightforward, simple. Okay, and he can keep. And we have these complicated stuffs like card readers and all that stuff. Okay,
Okay.
which are not accurate, and you have to carry them around. Now everybody carries a phone. It will become easy. You know that you just have to tap the card on the phone,
Yeah.
and the contact is
Really
transferred.
cool. Really
This is
cool.
one of the products.
So-
Okay, our next big product is a NFC based dining menu. Okay,
Okay.
so let us assume that this is a dining table. I have
Okay.
NFC chips embedded into them.
Okay.
Okay, so what a end user does is he takes his phone and he keeps it on the dining table. Okay, so as soon as he keeps, a dining menu pops up. Okay,
Wow.
so it's so easy. So now he can choose what he wants. He can place. He can make a list of things he wants. He can see a total price of the things he ordered. Then he can go and review what he wants, and then
Okay.
later he can either place an order or he can tell the
Okay.
waiter directly. Okay, it's so straightforward that anybody can use it. Okay, the person who wants to use it has to just place it once on the table and the menu appears. Okay,
Okay.
so that is the biggest power of NFC. Okay,
I think they don't
simplicity
need to
and
wait for the
straightforward.
menus and the server guys to bring. You can directly order from here, right?
Yeah, even we can add that functionality. Okay,
Yeah.
that's independent of NFC totally. Okay, so this is the great thing. But and the other things like you can add Facebook likes and Foursquare check-ins also, so
Okay.
that people can like a Facebook page by just tapping or check into Foursquare by just tapping. That makes things very simple.
Okay. So Strajal, NFC is just now coming in so many smartphones. Okay. So where do you see the future of the NFC? Like probably what can be the future? Like where it will be used?
Okay, see, about 8 years back, Bluetooth was coming only in the top end models. Now you see Bluetooth in every phone, from ₹1,000 phone to a 30,000 rupees phone.
Okay.
Same with NFC. Okay, the time is not far when NFC will be in almost every phone you have. Okay,
Okay.
so and then you can unleash the power of NFC. Imagine the day when you can open your door lock using a phone.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Or you
Just
can
by
use
tapping.
exactly, or you can your access controls which you use in office. You don't have to carry your ID card every time.
Okay.
You just tap and you enter the office.
Okay.
Okay, and I predict in a few years almost all smartphones will have NFC, and after a few more years it'll take for almost all phones to have NFC.
Okay.
So
So that's great, Strajal. You have a very big vision for the latest technology coming.
okay.
Hope it booms in India and your company will be here all over the world.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks for coming and thanks for watching Metro Labs. Keep seeing.